Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a blog template in HubSpot's Design Manager. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just want to customize your blog like a pro, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your blog look polished and professional. Let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to Marketing, then Website, and click on Blog. From there, you'll see your list of blogs. But to customize the layout and design, we need to go to the Design Manager. Once in the Design Manager, you'll notice all your templates listed in folders. Find the blog template you want to edit, click on it, and you'll enter the template editor. This is where the magic happens. HubSpot uses a drag and drop system combined with modules, so even if you're not a designer, you can make powerful edits. Here's the key. Identify the modules in your template. Modules control elements like the blog title, featured image, author details, or the main content area. Click on any module to reveal its settings. For example, you can change fonts, colors, spacing, and even add or remove elements. If you want to make global changes like adjusting the header or footer for every blog post, HubSpot lets you edit those sections directly in the template. This ensures your design stays consistent across all your posts. One pro tip, always preview your changes before publishing. Use the preview option to see how your blog will look on desktop, tablet, and mobile. This ensures your readers have a smooth experience no matter what device they're on. Once you're happy with the edits, hit Publish. Your template updates will apply to all blog posts that use this template, instantly giving your blog a fresh, updated look. And that's it. Editing a blog template in HubSpot's Design Manager is simple once you know where to look and how to use the modules. Now you can customize your blog to match your brand perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Happy blogging!